To adjust screen refresh rate on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you'll have to scroll down and go for the display and brightness, and as you are here, scroll all the way down and you will find refresh rate settings. So let's go in there, and here by default this is the default mode selected, which will automatically adjust the refresh rate depending on the different scenarios. But if you want to set up manually the refresh rate, you simply have to select the custom one right here, and from there you're able to select the refresh rate from 120 Hz to 60 Hz. And this 120 Hz is for the smooth on-screen experience, and if you actually don't care about this smoothness on the screen and you'd like to, like for example, save your battery, you can select the 60 Hz right here. So yeah, and additionally, as you select this 120 Hz mode, the refresh rate, here there is additional option to show apps using high refresh rate, and as you go in there you can find all of these applications. But yeah, that's basically how to adjust the screen refresh rate.